Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit a slow motion video using CapCut in 2023. CapCut is a popular video editing app that offers a wide range of editing features and tools. So in this video, we'll guide you through the steps of editing slow motion video using CapCut. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Of course, CapCut has an application and a browser version. As an example, once you open your browser, what's your preferred browser you have, go to this URL section, simply type capcuts.com and hit the enter button. That should take you right away to the home screen or main screen of CapCut. And as you can see, let's just accept the cookies. As you can see, you'll be able to download it for your Windows or simply start editing video online right away on the browser. So, of course, in the browser or the browser editing, you'll not have a lot of options. So let's just skip all of this. You'll not have a lot of options that will be in the application. So if you don't want to download this, of course, you'll be able to do it here. But I preferred if you just go and install it from here. So simply you'll have to hit this button and save it into your PC and make sure to go and install it and follow the instruction of installation. And then it will be installed into your PC. For me in this video, I'm going to use it as an app because I already have it downloaded. So let me just go and open it up. Once it's opened, as you can see, so let's just wait for it since it's opened. Here is it. As you can see, you will have to log in into your account at the top right corner. So if you want to go and download it into another PC and you have projects opened here, those projects will be saved into your account. And once you logged in into your account on another PC or even phone, you'll find your project there and you'll be able to continue editing on them if you want. For me, I'm just going to click on a new projects here so we can start a new project. Now, of course, the first step is to import a video into CapCut. So open this plus button, or click on it, import, and here you'll be able to import a video on your PC. So I'm just going to import this video as an example. And now you will have to add your video into the timeline. You can simply go and click on this plus button at the bottom right of the video, as you can see, add to track or add to timeline, or you can simply select this and drag it out into this timeline here. Now you'll be able to create a social motion effects. You will need to adjust the speed of your video. You can simply tap on the video if it's not selected here on the timeline and simply go to speed at the top right corner and simply select or lower the speed. So it will, as you can see, the duration will go or will increase. That means your video is in slow motion right now. You can even adjust the speed by the duration that you want. So let's just go back to 1. And as you can see, the duration of this video is 30.3 seconds. As example, if you want to make the slow motion a 50 seconds video, so simply type here 50 and hit the enter button, and that will adjust for the speed for the duration that you need here. You can even adjust the time or the speed if you want, or you can adjust either the duration or the speed. So choose whatever suits you. Of course, once you do so, you can adjust, of course, the speed as desired to achieve the desired effects or duration. And once you do so, you will have yourself or for yourself this slow motion video. Now you can simply fine tune to the slow motion effects. So CapCut allows you to fine tune the slow motion effects for specific portions for of your video. You can simply type or tap on the video on the timeline, then simply click tap or select this voice tune changer because sometimes when you play the video, you'll hear like annoying sound when you have it on slow motion. Of course, you can even go and if you want to record your own voice on this new video with the slow motion if you want to. You can simply select here and you'll be able to record your microphone. At the moment, I cannot do that because I'm recording with OBS, but for you, you can do so. And of course, you can even adjust the clip of or adjust the speed of each clip. As an example, you're going just to cut the video here. And now this, you can even go to speed and adjust it and make it as normal. And for this one, it will stay the same. You can even make it slower, make it faster. Then you can do whatever you want with this. Of course, if you want to undo any change, you can simply hit the Control Z button and that will undo any change that you made. And of course, you can even add transitions and effects. So now I showed you actually how to edit the slow motion video on CapCut. Of course, there's other stuff that you can do. Of course, you can go here to audio as an example, and go and add some videos as an example from here. There's the music, there's sound effects, and there's extracted if you want to import something from your PC, and there's even the TikTok if you want to link your TikTok account and get music from there. So choose whatever suits you. As an example, let's just say, as an example, I like this one. So simply I'll have to download this for me, or did downloaded this for. So I can simply click on this add to timeline, and they will be added to my video directly. I can click on them and of course adjust the volume so it will not interfere with the volume of my video as an example. And of course, other than audio, I can even add some text as an example. You can simply go and drag it into the timeline again and simply adjust the text however you want. I'm just going to put a test example, and the test is going to show for the half of the video. As an example, I'm just going to type follow. Make sure to follow as an example. Make sure to follow. And of course, I'm just going to put that here so it will fit in my screen, and I'll change the size of it and the place, and I can even change the font if I want to. I can do whatever I want with it. And of course, I can even add or give it some animations here. Let's say, for example, I just like this animation. I can even edit now the duration of this animation. It will show as an example or this animation will be for 3 seconds. So as you can see, it will take 3 seconds to show. Of course, 3 seconds normally is too much, so you can do 2 or just 1 or something like that. Of course, you can even add some trackings if you want, or text to speech. Now, once we are done with the text, we can even go and add some stickers as an example. So we can just go here and add this sticker to the timeline again. Of course, I'll need to wait until downloaded, so it should not take a lot of time. So let's just wait here for it until it's downloaded. And once it's downloaded, of course, I'll be able to add it into the timeline again. So let's just skip this until downloaded. I don't know why it's taking so much time. So of course, you can even go and add some effects as an example here. And transitions, if you are making any cuts in your video, you'll be able to add some transitions to your video. So of course, you'll notice the difference if you have different clips. As you can see, there's no difference here because I have the same clip. So for you, if you have other clips, you'll even notice difference. You'll be able even to add some filters if you want, and even some other adjustments from here. You can go and do some custom adjustments for yourself that you can use in every video or every slow motion video or any other video that you would like to change. So once you're done, you can simply preview the video from here. Go to the beginning and preview the video from here. Then simply go and export your video. Give it a title, choose the file that you would like to export to. And of course, here you will have to enter the specifics of the video that you want, the quality, the FPS, and a lot of other stuff that you can choose from here. Once you're done with that, make sure to hit this export button and you'll normally be good to go. So if you reach this point of this video, congratulations, you've successfully edited a slow motion video using CapCut in 2023. Of course, CapCut offers a range of editing features allowing you to create stunning slow motion effects and add creative elements to your videos. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we hope it was helpful for you. So if you have any further questions, feel free to explore CapCut support resources or join their community for assistance. So make sure to leave it down below comments if you have any suggestions, and leave a like down below and subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. And I'll see you in the next video.